What's it called?
Nothing,
Very
I'm just
nice.
calling it. So I'll let these flowers grow over my head.
Vishal, nobody got married. Why are you talking about marriage?
No, because I was telling Tahir, Vishal's there too.
Yes.
Someone's asking, do you like memes? No, I actually personally am not a fan of memes, but unless they're really funny,
I
there's some
love
very
memes.
stupid
I
ones.
love, love, love memes. Hi guys, how are you? Sorry, I just came in and I was looking at filters, so I didn't say hi to you. Hi. Ooh, how are you
I can
guys?
have really crazy
I
filters.
hope I hope all of you are healthy and safe and staying at home. Thank you, K Gaikwad.
Love
Love
from
you,
Tokyo,
love you,
Japan.
love you. Lots of love, lots of love. Hi, Rishal, how are you? Sikandar, stay safe. Yes, guys,
Aks,
all of you, please, please, please stay safe.
Aksh.
We're going through really tough times, as we all know, and yeah, just by keeping ourselves safe, we are keeping everyone around safe. So I think it's time to be very, very responsible. How are you, Tim? How's Delhi? How are you enjoying the weather?
It's
I believe it's raining there.
it was since 2 days. Actually, last night it rained very heavily, but it's really nice. But it's sunny, but I still like it. It's very nice. It's much more greener. And
Hi,
yeah,
Rohit. How are you? Good to see you again. Huh? Like good weather. I was reading in the news that it's the coldest summer day in Delhi in
it was
May, because May
21,
is
yeah,
usually really
since
right.
1951. It was beautiful. It was so
Yeah,
pleasant
that's
and so
that's
nice.
crazy.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. So you're
Is
enjoying
it hot
while
in
I'm in
Bombay?
Bombay.
Is it hot?
No, it's not really hot because of the cyclone. I mean, the cyclone caused a lot of damage, but because of the cyclone, it's not as hot. It's
We
fine.
have someone from the army who's just joined us.
Yes, I saw that.
How are you? We have
Wakas
heroes. We have
Sunai.
real life heroes too.
Yes, we have a real life hero with us right now. His name is Mr. Sanjeev Pavaya. We are just so proud to know him.
Absolutely. What are you up to? Did you tell me
Nothing.
something? So
Nothing.
guys, tell us, what did you do for your birthday? I think everyone wants to know what you did for your birthday.
I didn't do much for my birthday because, like, I mean, we all know that we're all under a lockdown, and there's also, I think the mood was not such with all that's going on in the country. There's absolutely no way that I felt like celebrating. So yeah, nothing much. Just a quiet one this time. Just
But I'm sure
grateful
you
and
received a
thankful.
lot of love.
I did, of course. Lots from you in the form of cake. Guys, my sister sent me the most yummy cake ever. Yeah,
Which is
and
made by
I
a
mean,
very dear
since
friend
I'm
of
all
mine.
alone, yes, and since I'm all alone in Bombay, there is nobody else to share it with, so I'm eating it and I'm putting on all the weight.
But you know what? I think that cake is totally worth it.
Yeah, it is. Absolutely. But
So
guys, thank you so much. Now that I'm here, I just want to say a big thank you for all the lovely wishes that you all sent. And I know that this time I could not repost everyone's wishes because I mean, like I said, I was not really in a very celebratory mode. So yeah, but I read all the messages and I love you all for so much love and such beautiful messages. Thank you. Hi, my angel.
we have a fan of yours. Okay, can I talk? So we have so Sona Teju's
Okay,
there
I have to
and
take a name, wo meme wala ladka, because I mean he's telling me to take his name, but let me tell you, I don't know what your name is, but your memes are, I mean, just top, top, top. I love your memes, and trust me, during these times, one thing that is like really kept us Sane is all those amazing funny memes. And thank you for making some great memes on me also. I love them. I thoroughly enjoy them.
I think, yeah, I think in such times humor is very important, and so is humility.
Humility, humor, positivity, yeah, a positive mindset, most importantly. And
Yeah.
yeah, it's good to have a
So
laugh.
we just, someone just mentioned it here. Sona Teju's there, and she said that, she saw how you were helping the needies with food and everything today. And I wanted to personally tell you myself, because I didn't speak to you since morning. I think it is so beautiful what you do. You do it all the time, of course. This is not the first time you've done it. It's just that for the first time, someone's covered it. But I feel, you know,
Thank
sometimes
you.
I really wish that it's so important to do these things, and not for anything else, but um, I feel that there's so much love all of us have that we can share, and so much love we can give to people. But sometimes we are shy of doing that. Sometimes we don't have the means to do it. But by the
No,
grace of
no,
God, you're
no.
blessed.
In fact, I'm glad that you brought it up, Tim, because that is one thing. In fact, I just posted something also on my story where I said that uh, when it comes to helping people, when it comes to helping or giving love or doing something positive, never, ever, ever, ever be shy. Because I have been there. I've grown up being an introvert, and I always was a very shy person, and I still am. I am an introvert still. But one thing that I've realized is that don't ever shy away from doing something good. And
No, that's
yes, there
true.
will be there are the world is full of all kinds of people, and there will be people who will also criticize you or pull you down. But if you know that you're doing something nice, and if you're doing something that might even help one person or can bring a smile to one person's face, then don't care about judgment. I mean,
That's true.
I face it a lot of times because I repost a lot of stories of my family, like I say, people who love me. I always, hi Varun, hi.
I was
I
gonna
always
say I
repost it,
do.
and a lot of people tell me that, oh my God, why do you do that? And this and that. And I've always maintained that if there is somebody out there who is putting so much effort for me, who he doesn't even know me, he just knows me as somebody who he's seen on screen or he watches on Instagram. He or she is putting in so much effort for me. I mean, how lucky am I? And the least I can do is acknowledge it. And if I'm putting it on my
Absolutely.
story and reposting it, I'm just acknowledging their effort and I'm saying thank you. Because I mean, imagine that's just that person who's never even met me has so much love for me. The I mean, the least I can do is I can reciprocate, right?
But so tell me something, when you read these negative comments, which honestly I've noticed that you are very loved by the people compared
Yeah.
to a lot of other celebrities. But so do you feel discouraged, or does it ever bother you? Does it, how does it feel?
Well, most of the times, no, it doesn't bother me because, like you said, honestly, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. I think I am more loved than hated. In fact, I get to see like one or two odd negative comments on my timeline. Most of the times, I'm really loved, and that is like a great feeling. समबडी सेइंग आप हमेशा
Speak in
इंग्लिश में क्यों
Hindi.
बात करते ओके तो चलो हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं लेकिन हाँ कभी कभी बहुत डीमोटिवेटिंग होता है जैसे लाइक आई से कि अभी जो टाइम चल रहा है इसमें मैं जितनी मेरी कैपेबिलिटी है जो मेरे मींस मुझे अलाउ करते हैं उसके हिसाब से मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं लोगों की मदद कर पाऊँ कोशिश तो कर रही हूँ और कुछ लोगों की आई कैन प्राउडली से कि मदद हुई भी है और उसका क्रेडिट मैं खुद नहीं लूंगी बट हाँ मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि जितने भी मैं लोगों की मदद कर पाऊँ मैं कर सकूं
But you
लेकिन वहां
always
पर भी
do.
हाँ कोशिश लाइक
और
आई
इस
सेड
टाइम में नहीं, लाइक हमेशा से, लाइक वी ऑलवेज, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कि आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन व्हेनेवर समवन रीचेस आउट टू यू फॉर हेल्प, you always make sure that in whatever capacity you can, you always help them. Like for example, even when you went to the temple today, तो हम तो हमेशा से इस temple जाते रहे हैं. We know those kids, we know those people who are there. So and it's not the first time you're doing it, and they always really look forward to you going there and talking to them. I think it's beautiful, and I think a lot of people just see things when it's out there,
Yeah.
and it's sad that they judge too soon, but I think that's how the world is, full of
Yeah, but I think,
judgmental
I mean,
people.
yeah, that's what I was coming to, कि कभी कभी बहुत मतलब बहुत ही रेयर ऐसा होता है कि मैं डिमोटिवेट होती हूँ. बट हाँ, मैं कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा डिमोटिवेट हो जाती हूँ जब मेरी इंटेंशन बहुत अच्छी है और मुझे बिल्कुल उसकी ऑपोजिट चीज के लिए जज किया जा रहा है और कहा जा रहा है कि मैं उसको ऑपोजिट कर रही हूँ. देन
Yeah.
ये लगता है कि क्या क्या करूं, क्या मुझे करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. जैसे कि अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हैं किसी के लिए, अगर आप उसके बारे में बात नहीं करते तो आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे मैसेजेस आते हैं कि अरे ज्यादा कुछ नॉलेज मत बांटो, कुछ करो, कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो. जो लोग करते हैं उनका देखो ना सामने आता है, ठीक है.
Yeah.
लेकिन जब मेरा सामने आता है तो मुझे सुनने को मिलता है कि अरे ये तो सब कैमरा के लिए कर रहे हैं, ये तो सब ड्रामा है और ये तो सब ये है. जैसे कि आज it's really funny today. I mean, because those kids, like, they love biscuits. So I took biscuits for them and water bottles. But I also, I mean, for the families, I did whatever. But जिन लोगों ने सिर्फ वो बिस्किट का पैकेट देखा, they think that I'm doing something wrong because all I'm giving them is biscuits. आप थोड़ा सा किसी को जज करने से पहले एक बार थोड़ा देख तो लो कि और भी क्या कोई कर रहा है. But when I'm doing it, I'm being told that, oh, you know what, you're just doing it for the camera and for the publicity. जब जब वो कैमरा और पब्लिसिटी के लिए नहीं होता और जब नहीं नजर आता, वो लोगों की नजर में नहीं आता, तब भी हमें ही बुरा बुला जाता है कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो. जो लोग करते हैं उनका तो सामने आता है, हमारा जब सामने आता है तो
That's
so
true.
it's
That's
sometimes,
true.
yeah, it can be, but like it takes me literally 5 to 10 minutes. I feel a little bad and then I'm out of it because I'm very clear that I want to, whatever I do, even if I'm making 0.1% of a change, or I'm
Absolutely.
able to give somebody that little bit of happiness. Like I said in my story today, I said ये एक बहुत ही सोचने वाली बात है कि it's not like there is a shortage of food in this world. There is enough food. तो फिर ये क्यों हो रहा है कि कुछ लोग अभी भी भूखे सोते हैं, भूखे रहते हैं. कहीं ना कहीं एक डिस्कनेक्ट है. कुछ लोगों के पास घर में खाना रखा है, वो आज खा रहे हैं लेकिन उनके पास अगले कई दिनों का खाना रखा है. देयर इज नो शॉर्टेज, देयर इज फूड, इनफ फूड फॉर एवरीवन. तो अगर हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहें तो कोई भी भूखा नहीं रहेगा. एंड आई
Like
थिंक
Aftab is saying,
दैट इज. हाय
Af-
आफ्ताब. हाय
Aftab is saying,
आफ्ताब.
कुछ तो
लॉट्स
लोग
लॉट्स
कहेंगे.
लॉट्स लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू यू. बिल्कुल सही, लोगों का
He's saying,
काम है कहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. थैंक यू. या बट
absolutely.
आई मीन ये चीज थी जो मुझे थोड़ा सा आज मैंने इसलिए बोला बिकॉज अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैं कुछ कमेंट्स पढ़ रही थी ना, यार आप देख तो लो, आप सिर्फ कुछ बहुत ही लोगों ने
Manu
और एक
Sharma.
तरीका भी होता है बोलने का, एक तरीका भी होता है लोगों बोलने का. कुछ लोग बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से बात करते हैं, बहुत ही गलत
True.
वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ हर्ट्स, बट इट्स ओके. वी लव एवरीवन.
Yeah, I think there's so many people are saying hello. So hello to everyone.
I
And
think Aru was saying hi to us. Hi Aru, lots and lots of love.
oh my God, I didn't see that.
Yes, Rohit. Yes. Of course. हमें सिर्फ focused रहना है to just do good and make whatever positive difference that we can.
Absolutely, absolutely.
जन्नत वाली जोया.
So, guys, what else? Hello, good evening. Best wishes. Thank you, Rohit.
Yes,
आप
Rohit.
आपने
Absolutely.
दिल की सुना. Absolutely, that's so true.
बिल्कुल.
That is so true. But
Yeah.
so somebody wanted to know what was the flavor of your birthday cake.
Okay, I mean, so it was pink in color. It was a pineapple cake and it had vanilla icing. So,
Oh my
Tim, actually, you
God.
ordered it. So, why don't you tell me what color it
You know,
was?
so I just sent her a reference picture and I just told her that I want one. I want pineapple pieces inside, how we used to have it. And she's like, okay. And then she's fabulous. She knows exactly what I want. I just have to send her a picture, and she always does it. She's
That's true.
Fiza, if you're here and if you're listening, I don't think you are, but if you are, I want to tell you, you make the best cakes in the world. And
Yes, yes,
everyone
Fiza,
who's
you
ever had
do.
those cakes, everyone who's had those cakes, believe it. Happy birthday. Thank you. Sonal, you're looking nice. Okay.
Sonal
What
Chauhan
else, guys?
206. Yes, no negativity, only positivity.
Bitcoin underscore fish. Ma'am, please say hi. Bitcoin
Hi,
underscore fish, I have
Bitcoin.
a question for you. Are you going to bounce back or not? Ma'am, what are you doing in this lockdown? Sonal, people are asking you.
What am I doing in this Sonalik Zoya? What am I doing in this lockdown? A lot of things, yeah. I'm just um, doing my bit to be able to help people. So yeah, उसमें काफी सारा time निकल जाता है. But apart from that, I'm staying at home. I'm not going out too much. I do a bit of sketching. I do a little bit
I have a
of
question for everyone also,
okay.
including you.
What? What?
How many of you all had Maggie during this lockdown?
Me.
I think Maggie's one. Apparently, Maggie's come out with another very spicy flavor, which I haven't tried yet, but I will try very, very soon.
But we make it spicy anyway, na, with that green chili flavor.
Green chili. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so now tell me something. Which is your favorite, all-time favorite snack besides
Maggie,
Maggie?
if that comes
Okay, if Maggie's not there, Maggie's everyone's favorite.
snack, I would
Someone saying they
say
eat Maggie daily. Someone, okay, so who? Rishabh is having Maggie daily. Then who
okay.
else? I don't like Maggie. Some Ritvik doesn't like Maggie. What? People don't like Maggie? I didn't know. What about singing? Oh, Sonal can sing. I
Yeah, I
can't
love
sing.
singing. I'm missing fries that Sonal
Pasta.
Chauhan made. Yes, I've made those fries, Sonal Fondness. I love them. I love them. So that's my favorite snack. But if I have to go for a quick snack, I would say
Dad is there.
potato
Say
chips,
hi to Dad.
Lay's. Hi, Daddy. Lay's. I like
Lays.
Lay's.
Oh, the blue Lays. Oh, they're so
Yeah.
amazing.
Oh, I love Uncle Chips actually. I prefer Uncle Chips to Lay's.
Okay, and what's your favorite ice cream flavor? Guys, how many of you answered the question I asked on a birthday on my story? Pakode. Ritvik wants pakode in the evening. Please add.
Yes, I am single, guys. I am.
Both are cute. No words. My mom's also there on live. Mango ice cream from Natural.
I replied all correct. Okay, Sonal Fondness says that he replied all correct answers on your story, Tim.
Okay. I'm proud of you.
Did you choose Stuti Singh as the best photographer? Lockdown photographer?
Yeah. Please take my name. Mohit. Himani, are you single? Yes, Mohit,
Sushma.
I'm single. Shoaib. Guys, what else? Okay, so okay,
Somebody
that's your
saying, where's
favorite
Lord
snack.
Imran Hashmi? I think Imran Hashmi must be in his house, and that's where everyone should be in their own respective homes.
Yes.
Am I waiting for my dream
Sushil
boy? Yes, I
Patnakar.
am.
Okay, so okay, tell me one quality that is a must in your dream boy.
Uh, Simplicity. That's my weakness. Simplicity. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that is something
Hmm.
that will catch my attention. But otherwise, what is that one quality that should be there? Loyalty. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, and let's see. Someone wants to see your teeth. Why would you want
Somebody,
to see someone's
Sonal
teeth?
Fondness did donation on my. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. Awesome. Loyalty. Someone says.
I think there's a
Someone.
problem with the
Why?
reception.
Okay, my niece is going crazy.
I think my niece is playing in the background.
Yep.
Hmm.
All right.
Hi, Mohit. Hi, Faizi. How's your experience? Oh, guys, what else? Okay. Uh, guys, okay, tell me one of your okay, which is who? Tell me your favorite fruit. Let's ask them questions, because usually they ask us questions. Let's ask. Yes, we are both sisters. Whoever wants to know. Yeah. Ma'am, your toothpaste name? My toothpaste. I use different toothpaste. I get bored with things very quickly, so I keep changing, and I like those innovative packaging. I love that, different kind of packaging and stuff. So we keep changing. Are you from Noida?
Someone says,
Yes.
someone says, how about you come up in a movie with Sonu Sood? Guys, I've already done a movie with Sonu Sood. It's called Buddha Hoga Tera Baap.
And what else? What else? Apple, someone's favorite. Okay, mostly mangoes. And then, do you cook? Someone's asking, do you cook? Sona makes really good food. She cooks very, I won't say
Yes,
rarely,
I do
but she
cook.
cooks and she
I do
cooks really
cook.
well.
Yeah, I think I cook really well because I'm a foodie. So then for me, taste is very, very important. So I think I'm a decent cook.
Yes.
Someone says
Hello to
kiwi.
everybody. Wow, I've never met someone whose favorite fruit is kiwi.
Mom.
No, mom likes custard apple. And now suddenly she's developed love for apples. And she loves mango. No, mom's favorite fruit is mango. So मैं आपके town से हूँ.
Well,
I want
Sonal
to
ji,
eat
what do you do for
everything.
your hair? Hair care routine. Okay, I'll tell you what I do for my hair, guys. So I don't ever shampoo my hair without oiling it. So whenever I have to shampoo, most of the times I oil my hair a day prior. I mean, in the night, and then I leave it overnight, and next day I shampoo. I condition my hair. Always after shampoo, I have to condition my hair. So yeah, that is what I do. And apart from that, I believe in mostly doing homemade hair packs. Like if there's a banana and some curd and an egg and anything I can find in my fridge, like a fruit or something, I add it, and then I put it on my hair, keep it for like half an hour, 40 minutes, and then I shampoo it off. But yeah, and drink lots of water. I think that's very important.
Yeah, water I think is very, very important, not just for your hair, for your skin as well.
Yep.
But so someone just said that we look like twins. I really want to know why some people think that we look like twins because I think we look poles apart. We don't look alike. What's the reason for your fitness, ma'am? Sonal works out a lot. She works out and does a lot of yoga.
Um. Okay, meme wala ladka. His name is Rohit. Now we know his name. Now we know your name. Thank you, Rohit,
Curry
for all the lovely memes that you make. You're amazing. You clearly have a great sense of humor, and you're very, very creative. You're doing a
has
great job.
Absolutely. But has anyone? Yeah, they're not memes, but he's really funny. And I think I'm sure everyone must have seen this new video of these two African boys, which is doing the rounds, which everyone's copying, where they're dancing on Amitabh Bachchan and Govinda's song. I don't know if it's, I think it's Govinda's song or something, yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of those things doing the rounds, but if you don't know, then you don't talk about them. If you don't know the names.
No, why not? We can just appreciate because since it's gone viral, I'm sure everyone knows about it.
Yeah, I don't
So,
know what you're talking about.
what?
I
It's
don't.
everywhere. I'm very
I don't.
surprised. Okay, I'll
His
send
name
it
is
to you.
Cabby. Sonal Fondness is saying his name is Cabby. Is that what his name is?
I have no idea. I just saw him, and all the people are copying him, and they're doing those comparison videos.
Someone is asking me मेरा present crush कौन है? विराट राठौर. I'm so बोल रहे कि आपने 1000 बार पूछा और मैंने आपका जवाब नहीं दिया. मेरा present crush कौन है? Who's my present crush? Am I crushing on anyone?
I don't know. You tell me.
I'm not currently. No. Um, I mean, I've had a crush. If you guys have seen Vampire Diaries, I've had a huge crush on Ian Somerhalder, Damon in his name is Damon in Vampire Diaries. I've had a huge crush on him, and Robert Pattinson also I had a crush on. But I think I just have a thing for vampire movies. I know who I'm crushing on. I'm crushing on this guy from this series called King, the Eternal Monarch, the
Oh my
main guy. And
God.
I really don't know how to. Yes, Damon Salvatore is Sohail, you're right. But yes, also this King, the Eternal Monarch, I'm really crushing on him. And I'm also crushing on this Pakistani actor. His name is Feroz Khan, I think. He's in this TV series called Khuda Aur Mohabbat, and I think he is a fabulous actor. So yeah, these two. Now
So
you know
you
who my crush
okay? So
is.
if
Thank you for reminding me. um,
yeah,
Tim, who are
Jon
you
Snow.
crushing
Someone
on?
saying Jon Snow.
Nah, I never really crushed on Jon Snow. Tim, who are you
By
crushing
the way,
on?
Jon Snow has stopped. But Jon Snow stopped acting. He's gone back to studying, and he's quit acting.
Hmm, that's
Wow, that's
interesting.
like after giving such a. I'm quite. I
It
mean, he
sounds like
shouldn't.
me.
He's such a good actor. Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess. So,
What is my view? What is ma'am? What is the view of cyclone in Mumbai? It was very bad. Actually, I was at home, obviously, because we were told to be at home, but I like stepped out today when I went out, and I saw that it has actually caused a lot of damage. There were so many trees, like big trees that are uprooted and literally like on the road. Of course, now they put them on the side, but there's been a lot of damage. Yeah,
okay, so now I have another question, and this question is for everyone. Which is
hmm.
your favorite Indian dessert?
You know mine.
I know,
You know
but
mine.
still, I think everyone should know. Gulab jamun,
Yeah,
kaju barfi, gulab jamun, or jalebi.
yeah.
No, pick one.
Jalebi definitely not. I would say it's a tough one between Kaju Barfi and Gulab Jamun. I think Gulab Jamun. Yeah.
Someone saying Kanpuri laddu. I've never had that. How is a laddu different there? Gulab jamun.
Laddu.
Okay, another person. I think laddus are a
Halwa
lot of
also.
people's favorite. Rabri,
अच्छा
someone
बहुत
said
सारे लोग
rabri.
बोल रहे हैं कि हमें हिंदी में बात करनी चाहिए तो हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं क्योंकि आई थिंक
ठीक है,
बहुत
हम
सारे
हिंदी
लोगों
में
की
बात
रिक्वेस्ट
करते
आ
हैं.
रही है.
रसमलाई, मेरी मम्मी को रसमलाई बहुत पसंद है. Knock knock 05.
अच्छा और किसी ने भी बोला है कि
और
उनकी रसमलाई फेवरेट है. योर फेवरेट
हाँ.
एक्टर कौन है पाकिस्तान में प्लीज Answer me. I think Fawad Khan is a very good actor. उनकी मैंने uh, कुछ मैंने उनकी वेब सीरीज देखी हैं and बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हैं वो. And also I think Myra Khan, very good.
Yeah, that's true. Myra's good. Yeah. See, a lot of people are. I think a lot of people are hungry here. Everyone wants to eat peda and laddu and
So I
rasmalai.
think then we should call it. I think then we
Why
should
don't you
call it
sing a song and
call
go?
it.
Sing a
What
song and
song should
then
I
go.
sing? Sorry.
Any song,
Mm,
any.
okay, guys, tell me what. Guys, okay, why don't you tell me what song you want me to sing?
Guys, okay, tell us quickly what song she should sing, and then we are gonna end this conversation. Salman or Shahrukh, 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 Shahrukh.
Someone is saying Sonal is looking herself a Kaju Barfi. Thank you. Favorite
Sonal
IPL
Mumbai
team?
ki.
Mumbai and Delhi.
I can't pick a team. I have friends in most of the
Okay, so someone
teams.
saying Lag Ja Gale, which is my favorite song. So should I just sing Lag Ja Gale?
Okay,
Someone
yeah.
saying Kaise.
Yeah, sing.
Someone saying Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar.
Okay, sing Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar. Like, yes, I
So I'll
got my
just sing two
vaccine.
lines because I don't know too much of it. अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. That's it.
That was so good. You need to sing two more lines. It was really good.
Really?
Yes, it was really good.
अभी अभी तो आए हो बाहर बन के छाए हो. आगे नहीं आता मुझे.
Hawa Zara Mehak. Beautiful,
Okay,
but you sang it really well today.
thank you
Wow.
guys.
See, people are sending you so much love.
कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. Okay.
So, which
All
was
right.
that
So
song in which? No, no, no. Which was that song in which it says, uh, "जान जाती है जब उठकर जाते हो तुम." Can you sing that for me?
आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
Ha. Yeah.
I
Do you
mean,
know
I think
that
most
song?
people won't even know that song. I know the song, but I think most people won't even know that song. Do
It's
you
okay.
guys know which song she's talking about? आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
She drinks so much water, so much water. That's the reason for her good skin and good hair. Your
आप
throat
भी
not
ना
well.
जाओ छोड़कर. जानू. See, nobody knows that song. आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
Okay, you can sing it for me later.
Okay, somebody knows. Somebody said Ajit version is my favorite. हाँ,
Yeah.
वही. आज जाने की जिद ना करो. यूं ही कुर्सी
यूं
पे
ही
बैठे
पहलू में
रहो.
Someone has written यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो.
Both sing together. Tim, do you want to sing with me?
No, no chance I will. No way.
Okay, so people know this song, so I'll sing two lines from this.
Yeah.
तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों ना रोके तुम्हें जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा बात इतनी मेरी मान लो आज जाने की जिद ना करो हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो. Thank you.
Beautiful. If I was not holding my camera from one hand, I would have clapped for you. But on that
Thank you.
note, let's say bye to everyone and lots of love to all of you. Get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible so we can all step out and be safe. At
Yes,
least a
guys,
little
please stay
safer.
safe. And very, very important, अनजिप डेली says वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर चंद लम्हे यही हैं जो आजाद हैं. That's true. Thank you, Tarun. Um, just can't control my tears. No, don't have tears. Just have a beautiful smile, sort of fondness. And somebody else has got emotional. Guys, yeah, I think I would say that it's very, very important right now to have a positive mindset. So please stay mentally strong. Keep the people around you very, very mentally positive and keep them strong and spread as much happiness as you can. Because trust me, it's very underrated, but makes all the difference. It makes
It
all the
does.
difference. Your biggest immunity booster is your mind. If this is strong, if
Absolutely.
this is positive, this is happy, then everything else will be fine.
True. True.
जन्नत का
All
song
right.
गाऊंगा. Okay, I'll just sing. मैं तेरे कदमों में रख दूं ये जहां, मेरा इश्क दीवानगी है नहीं आशिक कोई मुझसा तेरा, तू मेरे लिए बंदगी, मैं चाहूं तुझको मेरी जान बेपनाह, फिदा हूँ तुझ पे मेरी जान बेपनाह.
That was so
Thank you.
beautiful. I think you always sing that the best.
Well, it's very
Closest to your
special.
heart.
It's the most special song for me ever because that is the first time everyone saw me. So, yeah.
On that note, let's
Thank
just
you
say bye
guys
to
for
everyone.
all the beautiful things that you keep tagging me in, on all the effort that you put in on my pictures. And I know that these days I'm not so actively reposting stories, but I hope you understand that, it's very, I mean, I don't feel right about it. And also, it's important for me to highlight things that are more important. So I'm just trying to do that. But please know that I love you all lots and lots and lots. Okay.
Stay positive.
Yes. Not corona positive, just mentally positive. Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Bye,
Bye. Love you.
guys.
Love you guys. Bye.